Sweet peas, one of my favourite summer flowering cut plants. Such an easy plant to grow. You can sow it from seed at this time of year, but a better way is to plant the plants. And sweet pea plants are available now here at Horkans in many different colours. Believe it or not, they'll grow from this up to 6 feet or 7 feet between now and mid-June. And from June onwards, they'll flower, producing beautiful scented flowers that you can use as cut flowers in your own home right through the summer and autumn period. Sweet peas will often flower well into October and possibly up till November, particularly if you're cutting the flowers through the summer months. So if you're looking for stunning summer colour this year that you can cut every week from June right through to October, my advice is to plant some sweet peas. They're a hardy annual. You can plant them directly out into the garden soil now, and they will scramble up through hedges or existing climbing plants or trellis work in your garden. So plant of the week for me has to be the beautiful scented sweet peas.